So recently, after confirming the chipset for the Nothing Phone 3, the company has now revealed the big surprise they have been teasing. Yes, they just dropped a teaser on X introducing what they are calling the Glyph Matrix. If you remember, there were leaks about a new dot matrix style LED system, and it turns out those leaks were spot on. From what we have seen so far, the new lights are placed in the top right corner of the phone's back. It is a big change from the more detailed Glyph interface we saw in previous models, but the new Glyph Matrix is giving us a new, minimal look which I like. But this isn't just a small design update. Nothing even changed its social media branding to match the new Matrix look. Fans are already talking about it, wondering what this could mean for the future of the phone. While the teaser doesn't give us all the details, the name Glyph Matrix and its design suggest we might see a display that can show simple text, symbols, or even animations. That would be a huge step forward, especially if it lets user customize it like the older Glyph system did. If Nothing pulls this off, it could give users a whole new level of control. We don't know yet if the lights will be RGB or just one color, but if they support multiple colors, it could make this feature even more exciting. What's clear is that Nothing is trying to evolve its design while still keeping the bold, unique look it's known for. Replacing the original Glyph interface is a risky move, but if the new system is flexible and fun to use, it might be worth it. The full reveal is expected on July 1st, so we won't have to wait long to see what this Glyph Matrix can really do. For now, it looks like the Nothing Phone 3 is heading towards a more fun, expressive and customizable future, something we don't see often from most phone brands, and honestly, I'm here for it. In the end, Nothing isn't just launching a new phone, they are shaping a new way to interact with it. The Glyph Matrix might just be the boldest design move yet, and if it delivers on the promise of customization and creativity, the Phone 3 could stand out like never before. So what do you guys think of this Phone 3's new design? Let me know in the comments. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.